is a beautiful day for the park.
Yes, I think the kids will love it.
Let's make today special.
Wow, the park looks amazing. Look at all the summer decorations. I wonder what is happening today.
Oh no, I cannot find the freezer key. Are you sure it is missing? I checked my pockets twice. Hello, your truck looks wonderful. Thank you. We have a special event today. That sounds exciting.
Maybe we can help find the key. Yes, we can look carefully. Let's start with the places nearby. Ben, I see something shiny.
Good eyes, Lily. Let me check it.
Maybe it is our first clue.
It is only a small decoration.
So the key is still missing.
Yes, but we should keep looking. Maybe Ben carried the key somewhere.
That is a smart idea.
Let's check where he worked this morning. Mrs. Carter, we need some help.
Of course. What happened?
Ben cannot find his freezer key.
Wait, I remember something.
What do you remember?
Ben took a small box to the garden path.
The key could be anywhere here. Let's look carefully. We should not miss even a small clue. Noah, look under the bench. I see something there. Maybe it can tell us where the key went.
This ribbon was on my setup box.
Then the box may have moved.
Maybe the key moved with it.
The ribbon came from the setup box.
So the box may be nearby.
Let's check the field.
This is my setup box.
But the key is not inside.
Then I must have moved it somewhere else.
Wait, I remember seeing that box. Where did you see it?
Near the event stage.
Lily, look at that basket. It looks like a setup basket. Maybe the key is inside.
There are many things inside.
I see something blue.
Wait, that might be the key holder.
What?
This is my key holder.
Then the key may be here.
Let's check it carefully. We found the key!
It was inside the setup basket.
Now we can save the ice cream event. We finally found the key.
That was a great search.
Thank you for helping me. The freezer is open again.
The ice cream is safe. Now the event can begin.
I am glad the problem is solved.
Everyone worked together.
That made the search much easier. Thank you for helping today. We were happy to help.
Your family was very kind. The key holder was packed by mistake.
So nobody took the key.
Exactly. It was simply misplaced.
I am glad we did not blame anyone. Yes, we only followed the clues. That helped us find the truth.
Here is your ice cream, Noah.
Thank you, Ben.
You earned it by being a great helper. Today taught us something important.
Yes, patience really matters.
And helping others matters too.
Always stay calm when a problem appears.
And look for facts before judging.
Exactly. That is a good lesson.
We solved the mystery together. And we learned to stay calm.
Helping each other made everything better.
If you enjoyed this story, please like and subscribe. Share it with your friends and keep learning English.
Thank you for watching. See you in the next Slow English story.
Hi everyone. Moral of the story: stay calm when problems happen. Do not blame others without knowing the truth, and remember that teamwork, patience, and kindness can solve difficult problems. Thanks for watching.